So, I'm back, and I have great news to tell you. Well, and 3 good news. I guess you can call this episode 3 Birds with 1 Stone. First, I got Surfer Cat. Aha! And I saved up enough money for 11 roll and I spent it. Second, I got Gravolodon, or Gravy. Third, I got Marin Mizu, because it was 100% uber rare. Guaranteed. So I get 3 alien killers. And I'm currently focusing on evolving him. In the Gravolodon, I think I could do it if I have enough XP. But I know I can do it. And I beat the Great Abyss because of Gravolodon. So let's continue, shall we? We are castaways. Okay, they obviously want us to make money, so what I'm gonna do is send out this dude. I am so black. Ah! Oh yeah, I eat that for breakfast, mate. I'll eat that for breakfast this week. Let me do my attack! I swear, if you don't... Oh my god. No. Do your attack now. Play it for it. I need money. Where's my money? Where's my money, pig? Where's my money, pig? Where's my money, pig? Where's my money, pig? Ah! Okay, Shadow Boxer should be dead. No! Okay, you know what? You know what? Can needs health, I think. Get treasures. It's not because of treasures. I can beat this. I can most definitely beat this. You just gotta believe in me. I sent out him first. For any moth comes out. And I send out this guy as a visually here. Okay. We need to beat him. Crap. Okay, look, they're not gonna get out without a fight. So we're gonna get our defenses started early. So we can have Gravolodon ready. And our money ready. So we need to get this dude killed fast. Because if we don't, then we don't get any money. And we can't send out him, which we just did send out him, luckily. And your range is so trash! Oh my gosh, I'm so anxious. Anxiety. Don't copyright me. Shadow Box, okay. A green box. God. Back away. And he's now punching spirit from the dead. Or something like. Uh-oh. That's right next to me. 6-7. I guess. Here's how to beat Alaska. Make some money first. Is this literally an every Alaska stage? Make some money. Send out some wall cats. And then, when the time is right, kaboom! Make some money right there, man. And then send out Gravolodon. Send out Gravolodon because you sending out the butt. Gravolodon as fast as you can. Run, let the dude. Kill him now. The range is terrible. No! Are you seriously serious? We have to fight him. Jelly Boy is my weakness. I think it's not that bad. I didn't ramen. I should put ramen instead of sandwich. I think it's time to replace my like that. Like, just get into that point. Just need to replace. Or maybe ball and Rizzo, because he doesn't do anything. Like, yeah, he freezes, which is really useful. But, like, he's just not doing anything anymore. Come on. Come on. Send out cannon fodder for me to make money. Send out cannon fodder for me to make money. Okay, I completed the last level off camera because I had to do something. But yeah, we did pretty good. We got some cat food. I'm gonna send you out as cannon fodder because you are the same speed of Wall and Titan Cat. So, oh, you knew what I was doing. No, I'll take this 4 hits to kill him. Teacher Bear's gonna kill him. Yeah, Teacher Bear did. Damn, I was just trying to get Gravolo into Teacher. Yeah, Gravolo's dead. And Gravolo would be so useful for that bear, too. Gravolo got a hit in, technically, and then Gravolo's dead next second. You just see him dead, on the ground, just dead. Bloked out. Bloke. What is a bloke? Chat, someone tell me what that is. No, I actually don't know what it is, so if it's a slur, then please tell me. Okay. Okay, I'm tired. Okay. Cadillac made a big difference, I would have said. A big difference to the bear in chapter 1. So let's see what he does now. Get frozen, bro. Ah! That does nothing to me, bro. Yeah, you're weak. Ah! I'm not weak. No, I'm for my brother then. Nope, your brother ain't gonna do nothing for you. Who shall we upgrade? Who shall we upgrade? Who shall we upgrade? Dude. I need him. I like this little guy. I want to upgrade him too. This wave attack is actually just loud yelling. Ah! And it's just a wave that goes. No. Ooh, we're gonna fight the big pig of the rig of the SIG. Oh no! The big pig of the rig. Well, holding a SIG. No, while smoking a cig. The big pig in the oil rig that's smoking a cig. And he also snapped the twig on the way there. And he also ripped out all my hair. That's a good rhyme, right? I love when I knock back the snakes or like any enemy and it gets sent back to like the other enemy. Like this, they go boom, 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 and they reach that enemy. They go back to them. Hi there, I reach you, and then they just die. Gravolo, I know it's in the stage. You need to cook. Yes, we're dead. If you have wave attack. Wait, but Gravolo has wave immunity! Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. You don't even need to be true form. You don't even need to be second form. You could just be first form and have wave immunity. This true form honestly sucks, so keep... No. Hold on. This is what I mean. His wave sucks in true form. I think that's why talents are there to make him better. Like, he becomes really good against Relic. I mean, he looks like he's a Relic enemy himself. I thought he was automatically good. He didn't see Hi, I'm Matt Stone. I'm not gonna give curse immunity to my Gravoldon, so I'm gonna say he sucks by being a good Relic defender. Are we serious? Come on, Gravoldon, smash your foot into the floor for your dirty meat rock. Then, an inferior hot dog cart. I mean, you could have got us a plane as a souvenir. Or like, something really expensive as a souvenir. Like, you could get like something really expensive, like wasted money as a souvenir or something. Like, I don't know, that's what New York is. I live in New York. Not in Manhattan though. But I know Manhattan's mad expensive for no reason. There's no reason. Oh, he just killed these dudes like nothing. Just a little dog think they're like something. I mean, they get absolutely obliterated by... Oh wait, sorry, I'm covering the mic. Then they get absolutely obliterated by... Okay. So what? That's I am face. I don't give a damn about I am face. I can't curse on this channel until I'm 18. That's when you'll start hearing. And that's when my audience will probably lose subscribers. Oh my gosh, you are so good. Oh my gosh, Gravoldon. You really just have terrible range. I like this dark otter here. Don't want to meet. Stop covering the mic! I don't want to meet the dark otter. Oh, Scizoroo is great. Oh, even better. Yeah, let's get a Scizoroo with a guaranteed knockback. I need money now. Mr. Oh no, we're going to meet kills. I can't do something else. Gotta like good up a bit and kills in that hole. And then he's walking out of the hole. There's just won't be meat kills then. Actually no, there's just gonna be skank him. Oh, meat kill hole. He's gonna kill it. It's gonna be done. I also have Soul Beam now. And multiple other things, I have Scabies. I'm joking, I do not have Scabies. If I had Scabies, I'd be flipping the hell out. I do not want Scabies. Be careful. Make sure to be careful. No one wants Scabies. Scabies are very terrible. Yeah. What is this? Look how strong that crocodile is. But bro, you already got my health back. Give me one shot. Anything. After this level, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Relax. Get some good shut R. Get good shut R. Shut R because I'm not normal. I wanna be fancy. I wanna be a fancy pants. Like that one Flash game. Let's say shut on. Say the action that I do. Okay, it's just a whole army, right? Okay, I don't care about Kaminsky. I don't care that he canceled from Channel View. In freaking Manhattan. I don't care about Manhattan, man. I care about my town in Cleveland Brown Town. My name is Cleveland Brown, and I am proud to be come back in my hometown. No, Gravolo, you are resistant, and you missed. Oh, you missed. Oh, with that Gravolo, because you want to be an idiot. Gravolo, good mission. You survived. I don't like that. I want to hear the sound of us making money. That sounded really good. Yeah, when are we meeting Calamari? Well, they're not in this chapter. I'll go search it up after this video ends, which is happening right now. Okay guys, that's enough for today. Goodbye.